Welcome to Business Legal Lifecycle TV, the live TV show all about the legal aspects of your business to help educate you on complex legal terms in an easy to understand manner, to help understand why you need to do certain things in your business from a legal point of view, and to help you develop a plan for the future. Our mission at Business Legal Lifecycle is to help empower all small to medium-sized businesses around the world to get access to legal advice so that they can help build their communities and make the world a better place.
Hi everyone, and welcome to Business Legal Lifecycle. Today is Monday, so it's Fast Fix Monday here at the show, where we go through a topic relatively quickly. We don't go into a deep dive, but we give you some background about the information, and then if you've got any questions, then you can get in touch with us. Jeremy, say hello to everyone on this fine Monday.
Hi everyone, hope you're having a great Monday.
All right, so today we're expanding a bit on a topic that we did in our last episode, and that was about deregistering your company. There's certain things you need to meet in order to do so. This is definitely something you want to get advice about to make sure you comply before you go through the steps, because deregistering the company can have some major ramifications to your company. So it's very important to get the advice. So we're just going to go through generally how to deregister your company. Jeremy, do you want to talk about the first thing that we've got here for deregistering your company and who exactly is eligible to actually deregister?
Yeah, thanks, Craig. So this is expanding a bit on, as you said, our show last week. So there are a couple of criteria that have to be met to be able to deregister a company. First of all the members, so the shareholders of the company, have to agree to deregister the company. The company can't be trading on a business for obvious reasons. It can't be incurring debts and the like. So you need to be making sure that it's not carrying on a business. You have to have assets of less than $1,000. You have no other outstanding liabilities. You need to not be a party to any legal proceedings, and you need to have paid all of your fees and penalties to ASIC. If you haven't done that, then you're not allowed to deregister the company. So, Craig, do you want to go through the second point?
Yeah, the second one is about ensuring your company has no assets. So, upon deregistration, any assets that the company holds vest with the Australian Securities Investments Commission here in Australia, so ASIC. So you've got to be very careful that there aren't any assets upon deregistration, because if there are, then obviously there's some problems there that they vest with ASIC. Also, after deregistration, the office holders or the former office holders no longer are able to deal with any assets of the company. So you've got a problem there as well. If there are some assets and you want to try to deal with them, it's all too late once you've been deregistered. So before you take that step, you need to ensure your company has no assets. Going on to the next one.
Yeah, so that's about, flowing on from that, is just about closing all the company's bank accounts, ensuring the company has no property in their name, whether that be real property, shares, trademarks, IP, leases, or any other permits. If the company is trustee of a trust, you need to change that as well, appoint a new trustee. If it owns any business names, any registered business names, then you've got to cancel those. And if it's got any licenses, so like a financial services license or a liquor license or a credit license, then you need to cancel those. So that's number 3. Craig, number 4.
Absolutely. Number 4 is about paying any outstanding fees. And this is in relation to ASIC fees and penalties. So before you apply to ASIC to deregister the company, you need to make sure you pay all the outstanding fees and penalties. So this is not a way to avoid those. If you want to deregister the company, you need to make those payable to ASIC. Otherwise, it won't be deregistered. So you need to jump onto the ASIC portal and find out what the fees outstanding are and make those payments before you go through this stage of deregistering your company. So once you've done that, Jeremy, what's the 5th one that we want to talk about?
The 5th one is to make sure that you make that application at least 2 weeks before your annual review date. So every company has an annual review date, which is usually the anniversary that the company was created. If you don't do it before 2 weeks before the end of that year, often ASIC will have already renewed, and there will be another fee outstanding for that company. So you need to make sure that you've done it at least 2 weeks out, so that ASIC can process it before the annual review date starts. Craig, number 6.
Number 6, so you've done all those things. You need to also ensure that the members of the company approve the deregistration. So they all need to tick off to say that they approve for it to be deregistered. and that it meets all of the criteria that we spelt out today. So you need to have all the members sign off on it, and then you can go through the final process, Jeremy, which is number 7 in our list for today.
And that's simply lodging the form. So in Australia, that's a form 6010, and that basically you got to go through and verify all the information that we've given you today, and then ASIC go and deregister the company once they process everything. So that's the process of deregistration.
Absolutely. So if you, as I said at the beginning, if you want to go down this path, please get some advice before you do so. Also with companies, you might see, if you're dealing with a company, you might have strike-off action in progress. That essentially means that ASIC is going to take some steps to involuntary deregistration of a company. If you ever see that and you're dealing with a company and perhaps they owe you money or something like that, you can get in touch with ASIC and do so quickly to tell them that there are debts outstanding. You remember today's show we spoke about the criteria to deregister. One of those is there is no debts outstanding and there's no legal proceedings on foot. So if any of those sorts of things are happening and you see a company might be getting deregistered, get in touch with ASIC so that can be deferred, because once it's deregistered, then there's some more costs to try to re-register the company and wind it up. So you see that, take some action quickly and get the right advice. All right, today that is it for deregistering a company. Today's show was show 191. So if you want the show notes, I encourage everyone to do so. Jump onto the website and go to the show notes and show 191. Jeremy, I think that's it for us today. Anything else you want to add?
No, other than we'll see everyone next week.
Thanks, everyone.